Yes, sir. It's way better. And the shifts, so much better. Listen. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys the car. Maybe give you guys a little drive. But the car is looking super clean. I just washed it. As you guys can see, I got tints. I got the eyebrow thingy. And the car is lowered. I'll show you guys that in a second. From the side, I got the new wheels. The car is almost done. You know, it's looking so much better than the last time you guys saw it. But if you guys are from Ottawa and you guys want a cheap shop, they do like tinting, they wrap cars. You can wash your car there if you want. They install tires, because I know a bunch of people are going to be changing their tires now because winter kind of just ended. But feel free to hit up these guys. It's super cheap. It's the cheapest you're going to find. The guys are super friendly. So I'll put their shit up on screen. It's called Auto Spa. I'll put their stuff up on screen in the description as well. Feel free to check them out. I just washed my car here as well. And if you want to wash your own car and you want a garage, you can hit them up. They'll even make you wash your own car if you want, or they can detail it for you. But this is what it's looking like, guys. The car is so much better. Just look at that. The car is looking so good. The tint is super dark. So if you guys are wondering, the car had 35%, and then I added another 35% on top of that. So these guys, they said that's roughly like 18%. But just take a look at the car. The car is looking like, I'm speechless, bro. Like, just the wheels, it's crazy how much just wheels can make your car look different. But the tints is super dark, like I said. I actually did a bunch of stuff to the car that I didn't show you guys over the past couple of days. That's why I haven't even uploaded a video. So I did the back glass first, and then the front ones I didn't tint. And then after I came back, these guys charged me only 20 because I did the back. I think I did those, it's probably like 50 or like 45 for the two back. And I did that, and the guy said if I wanted to do the front, I can come back. I pay him 20 Canadian. Their prices are unbeatable. So if you guys really want tints, I'm telling you, this is the shop to come to. So yeah, so I came back $20 for the two front glass, and I got those tinted. Then I got the wheels, and my wheel was one of my wheels had a leak. The valve was kind of bad, so I came here, changed it off, $20 to change it. Like, literally, these guys are the best, and they do your car super quick. You know, they take care of your car. So like I said, feel free to hit them up. But yeah, my tire was bad, that's why I didn't even show you guys. Then the car got a little bit dirty again, so I'm like, all right, I'll just come here today, wash the car, you know, get my tire fixed. But now the car is perfect. I think it's raining just a little bit, so it's maybe not the best time to have washed it, but you know, it's fine. Still looking better. Still make the video because I needed to make a video. I haven't made a video in like 3 days, but this is what the car's looking like. I am obsessed. The car is crazy. So much better. Just a little walk around, but look at the fitment though. The fitment is on point. Just look at that car, man. Jeez. But yeah, these rims aren't the best. As you guys can see, it kind of has some curb rashes. These guys also fix your tires if you want. They fix curb rashes. They can repaint your tires. So if you have like a silver tire and you want it black, you can hit them up. They'll do it. But as you guys can see, the tire here, this is just a little bit dirty. That's where my tire shine. I just gotta wipe that off. But you know, from far, it looks fine. It's not bad for the price I got them for. I really can't complain. These are 17 inches. So yeah, these rims are 17. It's 17 by 8, I'm pretty sure. So I'm rocking 235, 50, 17s all around. So like I said, the rims, for the price I got them for, you can't complain. My caliper paint is not the best. I already showed you guys that. I'm gonna repaint them, but right now I'm not gonna do it because it's still a bit chilly outside. I'm just waiting until it gets a bit warmer. Just look at the tint, it's so dark. The car looks so much better. But yeah, I'm gonna repaint the calipers. The rims aren't the best, but it's really not bad. You know, for the price, I think I got all four for like 300. And it's OEM BMW rims, 300 Canadian. That's a steal. You see, like the caliper, it looks so much better with the rims. You can see it much better. But like I said, the paint job is not the best. It's kind of like runny. I'm gonna redo it. Don't worry about that. But the fitment on this car, everything is just super good. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. But yeah, and actually my iDrive controller was broken. Some of you guys may have known that. So like, I always had a thing on my screen. Damn, every time I come to the front of the car, I have to just stay quiet for a bit and look at it. It looks so good, especially with the eyebrow thingy. But yeah, so I got a new iDrive controller. I got a steal on that as well. I just got that yesterday. So because I changed my steering wheel, as you guys can like, if you guys don't know, my car was non-M Sport, so I still don't have the M Sport side skirts. I might get them. Like, I have them, I just have to paint match it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it yet, but I might. Just depends, you know, because I don't have a lot of things left to do with the car. You know, there's quite a few, but it's not a bunch. You know, I've done a lot of the main things. I got springs and everything like that. So this is what's on my car, like the driver restraint thing. It's just because I changed the steering wheel, and the one I had was heated. It had a bunch more things to it than this one. This one is not heated, so I'm not sure if I can get that code to go off. I'm not sure. It doesn't affect me though, it just says it, but it was always stuck on this screen. So like my reverse camera wouldn't work, nothing would work. That's all you guys would see in my videos. But I got an iDrive controller, so this thing was broken. I got a new one. So if you guys are ever getting one of these, make sure it's the same exact part number. If it looks the same, it can be off the same car and everything. If the part number is different, it's not going to work. I somehow found one for really cheap on Marketplace, and I got it yesterday. So now my thing is good, so I can finally like reset my tire pressure, because my tire pressure thing came on, my TPMS light, and the car would not go in sport with that, and I could not clear it because you have to use this thing to reset it, but I couldn't. So you know, it was a stress, but I luckily got one of these. So now my car is perfect. You guys can see the screen, I can move around and do everything. But yeah, the car is just coming together so much better. I did an oil change and everything, but this video is mostly to just show you guys the car. It's been a while since you guys have seen it, and you know, it's looking super good. Like, it's way different now. It's crazy what just like fucking wheels can do to your car. But yeah, I'll maybe give you guys a POV. What I forgot to tell you guys though, I got my res delete as well. So when I got my springs, I got the res delete at the same time. So I'll throw the car in Sport Plus. You know, it is pretty warm. I'm just holding the camera right now. I don't even got my head mount, but I'll just let you guys hear the car, because this shit's sounding nice. Pop the sunroof. I always roll my windows down just a little bit. You guys can hear it better. But yeah, it sounds so much better with the res delete. It's like actual gunshots now. It's way more defined. The pops are just so good. It's not too much, and it's just perfect. This car looks so good now though. One person's BMW I'm obsessed with. I don't know if you guys know Finding Nick. He crushed it recently though, but I'm obsessed with bro's car. And my car for 3 Series, you know, his car is what like motivated me to make my car look like this. But I'll let you guys hear the pops. But yeah, if you guys know him, like you know what car I'm talking about. Jesus. Yes sir, it's way better. And the shifts, so much better. Listen. Jeez, I need my map though. I don't even know where I'm going. Of course it started raining. You guys can hear how much better the shifts sound. Man, it's good. I know all you're hearing right now is the wind, but once I get to the stop sign, I'll give you guys another pull. I completely forgot to tell you guys I got the res delete. So in none of my videos though, I didn't have the res delete in any of my POVs, so listen to the pops. Straight up gunshots, man. Brutal. Jesus. But yeah, I'll make a proper POV though, because right now I'm just holding the camera. Let me roll the window up so you guys can hear me. But yeah, in none of my POVs I had the res delete, but I'll make a proper POV for you guys. You know, right now I'm just holding the camera like I said with my hand. So I know a lot of you guys don't really like it when I hold the camera, because you can't really see the road. You know, when it's on my head, you guys see everything. But I'm just making some short clips, you know, on this road up here. Jeez. Alright guys, looking, you're probably wondering why the fuck my car sounds like that. So it's such a nice car. Definitely my favorite car. Definitely. Like I in my last videos, like some of my videos, I would say, yo, I don't know what I want my next car to be. Maybe like an M. Definitely I want it to be something like an M, but like how much I love this car right now, like I can't even picture getting another car. You know, I love this car too much. Oh my god, that N55 is too good. off. But hey, thank you guys for watching this video again, like I said, and I'll make a proper POV for you guys with because now I have the res delete, you know, I'll make a full-on POV for you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.